Hey guys, working on a 2012 Honda CR-V, and we are going to be replacing the headlights on here. It's winter time, it gets dark a lot quicker. The owner just wants brighter lights. On top of that, we got this haze here. Let's see if we can do something about it. To show you, I'm going to start here on the passenger side. It's easier here. I can do it on the driver's side too, but you get better visibility on this side. In the start here, I'm just going to kind of grab it by these tabs here and here and wobble it. Just like that. Wobble it out. I wonder if this is like dielectric grease or something. Yeah, it's odd. I think it's dielectric grease because this probably sits outside. It's not insulated. They probably put dielectric grease in here so moisture can't get inside these plugs. That's my assumption. Pull this rubber off. Like this, just like that. Come on out, baby. It seals around the plug. Yeah, it's in there. There we go. My goodness. And as you can see, there's a little J hook, if I can find it. I think it's here. You literally push this tab in and it comes up and around like that. And try not to touch the goop. We're gonna pull this out and let's get our new bulb. And just to show you, I'm upgrading this to a LED headlight. I'm using Cougar motor, the 3.0s. I love these. They have integrated fan designs. They are not big and blocky, and they are just really good bulbs. This is a LED. This is an H4 bulb. This is the high and low beam combined. And as you see there, they match up perfectly. Let's get this in. And we're going to come here. And with the tab, with these three tabs facing like this, only can go in one way. Like that. Yeah, it feels right. Then get this little J hook here, and just like that. No rocket science at all. Now the interesting part here is trying to fit this rubber around this insulation like that. Okay, yeah, there we go. Just like that. And then get your plug here. And that's it. That's it right there. Cool. Let's do the other side. It's less space because of this fuse box here, but you can definitely still do it with your one hand. There we go. Pull that out. Look to the side like that. I do apologize. It's a little bit more difficult, but it's the same thing on this side. And that J hook is on the same side, I believe. It is. It's on the left hand side. And there she goes. There she comes out. And let me get my eyes in here. And I am right-handed, but I will say it's easier to get this in if you use your left hand. So just like that, she's in. And the rubber insulator, yeah, it's definitely easier to use your left hand. I know it's natural for most people that's right-handed, but consider using your left. Give me a second, I'm gonna get this in here. And put that in. Like I say, if these are dry, probably consider putting some dielectric grease in here so that moisture can't get into the plugs. Guess I never thought about it like that, but now just get my hands and we should be locked in just just like that. Let's turn it. I'll show you one more thing too. And like these normal things, they haze up over time. See how it's kind of hazy. So what we're gonna do here is this. Gonna get some off spray, right? And this stuff works literally on contact, like that. And I'm gonna wipe her down. And look at that. Look how clear that is. Doesn't last forever. Probably only lasts you a couple weeks, but people love it when they see it. And that looks pretty good. Let's do the other side. So this is the before. Wipe it down. Like I said, relatively hazy, right? Not bad. These aren't in terrible shape. I've seen a lot worse. And then the only way to fix this permanently, you can restore them, but buy new headlight assemblies. These probably don't cost that much, to be honest, especially aftermarket. But and just wipe that down. And that looks pretty. Look at that. All right, let's turn the lights on. And on position. And look at that pure white light. This is gonna look amazing at nighttime. And we're working on both sides here. We'll check the high beams as well. And I'm gonna turn the high beams on. And they work. Oh yeah, those are bright. Yep. Alright, we're looking good here, you guys. And just like that. Thanks for watching, you guys. Till next time. Out. Bye.